In this video, I will introduce you to the procedure of wall mounting an outdoor AP using an angle fixed mounting bracket. Before installation, carefully read the precautions in this manual and prepare installation tools and protective gear. If the installation position is high, only professionals wearing protective gear can perform installation. Attach the base plate against the wall and adjust its position properly. Use a level instrument to ensure equilibrium. Mark positions of the mounting holes with a marker. Use an 8 mm drill bit to drill 45 mm to 50 mm deep holes in the drilling positions. And hammer the expansion bolts into the installation holes until the flat washers are completely attached to the wall. Then, remove the nuts, spring washers, and flat washers in order. Hang the base plate on the expansion bolts and use a wrench to fasten the flat washers, spring washers, and nuts in order. Use 4M4 multiplied by 14 hex socket screws to fasten the AP mounting bracket to the AP. Hang the AP with the AP mounting bracket to the base plate on the wall and tighten the screws to secure the AP. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.